everyone, I'm Anderson Silva. I'm here with my son, and today is Monday. It's day to new technique, and I go teaching the Mata Leon, the choke. In that situation here, I put on the seat belt. So the seat belt is that situation here. Why? Because here I have a control for my opponent and I control everything, okay? In that situation here, what happened? My opponent go to grab my hand and put it down. When he put it down, I have the old one and I put my chin in the top and take it off my hand and hold this. That's one. And for choke, the Mata Leon, I put inside and hold. It's very important. Here, I put on the seat belt here and hold my opponent in that situation here. So what happened here, my opponent go to grab my hand and try to put it down. When he put it down, I put on the old one here. And that situation, I hold and using the both hands for my opponent tap. This is one. The second one, both hands together, and I turn and choke.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This was the rear naked choke. You can check out this one and many more techniques at spiderkick.com at KickLab, and also follow us on Instagram at spiderkick.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.